This reminds me of the movie The Notebook. It would be a spin-off featuring me. In love with me. Hi dolls! I hope you're doing fabulous because you are fabulous if no one has told you today. I'm going to be going to a little mini event with some cool people. I need to find something to wear, so thankfully these are all my Shein items. I'm just going to quickly get ready. I already have my contacts in, Becca Foundation. So I just got this concealer. It's a Bear With Me concealer serum from NYX. And going with my Dolly Angel palette, eyeliner, brown lashes today. I got my makeup on. So let's go ahead with the Shein haul and see what I got and see what I'm gonna wear tonight. We are gonna be unpackaging the Shein items. I'm not gonna lie, I did actually use a couple of pieces already. This one was the first piece that I used. And there's a slit here. And it's got actually like little puffy sleeves, so I just thought that was so Madonna. It could be casual or you can doll it up. Great staple work piece. It's got little checkers on it, so it would be really cute with a colored blazer for spring. Like if you had like a pink blazer or a purple blazer or even an onyx blue blazer, it would be really hot with this. You could also put a belt on it, and of course you can put some jewelry on. I'm gonna put this bodysuit on so I can try on all these clothes for you dolls. Outfit number one. Purple satin turtleneck top. It looks like this. It's got some cute little buttons here. It's not actually satin. I'm sure it's some kind of like knockoff or a blend of satin. But I just thought this is a really fun spring color. You can go casual with some denims. Then we got this dress, and it's got the spring flowers. It's a 3/4 dress. It's ribbed here. It's got 2 buttons in the back. Perfect for church or for a cute little tea party or for some spring brunch. Here's another one. This looks really cute with my like jewelry right here. Really cute. I love the back. Woo. Twirl. Yeah, super cute. Basic black pencil skirt. I love high-waisted bottoms. I have a long torso, so if you also have a long torso and you want to adjust the waist to give you a more longer, lengthier looking body or legs, then yes, high-waisted does the trick. I can't forget, I actually got this cute. Use it just to feel good when you're by yourself doing pamper time, which I absolutely love. Definitely puts me in the princess mode. Oh, very cute. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. It's a black basic top, and then it has the matching high-waisted skirt. Casual, but it's like still chill and still like nice, you know? I got also another skirt. It's a neutral color. I really like it. It's really pretty. I probably wear it with like white bodysuit and some tennis shoes. I would wear with this choker. So again, let me know what you think. This one here, I don't know why I got it. I definitely regret it. As soon as I took it out, I'm like, well, I don't know what I was thinking. Perhaps it will go better with a tan, but it's a dress. It's ribbed here and it's got a little tie. So with this, I just really need like a tan for this to actually look good. It just kind of washes out my skin tone and I'm not about that. I will wear them with white tennis shoes. Totally. again. This dress is actually growing on me. I would also wear this with some tennis shoes, but probably some cute clear heels. Probably some denim wedges for sure. I also got this top. It's super pretty. It's magenta again, very spring. And so here is the black skirt. Very day to night. That's that. Obviously, I would steam them. I just don't have time right now. Number 2. And here's the top. It's cute. Pretty color for sure. I like the cut here. This is a tube top. A tube top. Yes, I'm wearing a tube top. This is so nostalgic. It's very 2000s. It came with these high-waisted shorts. So this would be so cute with some big hoops, earring hoops. I just have my bralette on. So this would go really good with all my onesies. So I love this pant. It is so cute. It's got pockets, which I love. It's high-waisted again. It's a little bit puffy on this side. But it's so cute, and it will go, yeah, it would go with a lot of my tops because I love wearing my onesie tops. Here we go with the purple top. So very old school Ann Taylor knockoff. I used to work at Ann Taylor, so yeah. So you can make it casual. It's just super cute. Love the top. It's really pretty. Obviously, if you want to make it more professional, then lose the belt and wear a pencil skirt, of course. We got a couple more pieces left and I'm still not sure what am I going to wear. And then I got this brown dress and it's super casual. This is like perfect to run errands in, to go out. Like for me, I would throw just like a jogger jacket on, some tennis shoes, go hit the movies with my son, or I would just wear this with some boots and some gold heavy jewelry, skinny heel stilettos, or even some black boots. This is super comfortable. Totally would wear this with these shoes and yeah, with a gray jogger jacket and I'll be on my way. Peace. This is super cute. Okay, so then we have these pants, which is really cute. Yep. All right. I don't know how I feel about this. This is pretty classy too. It's very olden day. It's very olden day. Very olden day. It's very 70s. But I love it so much. So here. So let me know, dolls, what you think. So dolls, I think we have a really good selection here. I actually am really excited to try these pieces on and figure out what I'm gonna wear tonight. All right, dolls, and then this is the final. I love this. I knew I would. I like the quality. It's a thicker material and it's very casual. Obviously, it's 2 pieces, so you can wear it together or not. And then where's my jewelry piece? I'm layering my jewelries. I'm just gonna go ahead and put one more on because I'm that extra. I'm putting on my socks. And these are really cute socks, BU. They're Rae Dunn. I got it from like Ross's some time ago. I got my cute Puma shoes and I'll just show you my final outfit. Alright dolls, so I'm gonna head on out. So this is my outfit for tonight. This is very fitting, very casual. Style yourself so many different ways, so much fun. I live my life like I'm the star of my own movie. It definitely makes life so much more fun. So you should try it. Alright dolls, I will see you in my next video. I love you so much. Stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, and great things will follow.